We're here at Adventure Park, USA. Got a pretty cute little entrance. Look at that, the Whistle Stop Restaurant. I could definitely see this place being a nice little place to come to, like on a Friday night.
Yeah, they said they had a laser tag deal.
Laser tag deal?
Pizza and 4 people laser tag for $45. That's not bad.
That's really not that bad. No, not in today's day and age. Ready, hey babe? Wave to the camera. There we go. Go-kart track here. And of course a sky coaster, which it runs about $25 like most places. Laura likes these kind of parks. Low key, small,
not much walking, not many people.
Yeah.
Cheaper park, Fun Spot.
Fun Spot, yeah. It's just like a little fun spot. Fun Spot of Maryland. Yes. Definitely a nice little park though. We're probably gonna do some go-karts though. Nice little tilt-a-wheel. Nice little golf course, mini golf here. Looks like we got some construction going on. Looks like some kind of ropes course. Looks like a ropes course. Look at that huge bounce thing.
I want that. Yes, Haley.
Oh, there she goes.
Don't try this is dead. Yeah, but that was
a lot lately everywhere. Pretty cool. You got the Wild West here. Here we go, Haley. You ready?
Yep.
Woo! Here we go. Whoa. Whoa. That's a little bit rough. Woo!
That was the most horrible.
You didn't like that? I thought it was pretty fun.
No.
Oh man, I thought it was pretty fun. Normally you like rides like that. Well, we had a wonderful experience here at Adventure Park USA.
It's just my speed.
Yeah, just Laura's speed.
Relax.
What did you guys like best about Adventure Park?
The go-karts are my favorite. I like racing my husband.
I put a whooping on her too.
Hey,
Not at first.
I was in the lead. I was in the lead.
I won.
And then this little girl was bobbing and weaving, and I couldn't get around her.
Well, I am a professional driver, so it's only right that I win.